sustainability is at the heart of Xeros and what we do here. So in particular, making sure that our technology kind of helps make the world a better place using less water, less energy, less detergent, and also help addressing some of the key problems of the environment like microparticle pollution and microfibre pollution. Xeros' technology for cleaning garments and textiles. Xerods are small, spherical materials that we put into the wash, into the treatment. What they do is a few things. They help reduce the amount of water because they displace some of the water. They improve the cleaning performance. That improved cleaning performance also means you can drop the temperature, and of course by dropping the temperature it means you can use less heat and energy, and that's better for the environment. Xerodrum are essentially the apparatus and the machines that work with Xerods. Xerodrum allows you to deliver those Xerods into the wash, so they go into the wash and they massage all the garments and get all the dirt and the stains off. More recently we've started looking at microfibre filtration. This is a really big global problem that people haven't really sort of started to appreciate until quite recently. This is a technology we've been developing. It's called X-Filtra. X-Filtra is a filter for, in particular, domestic washing machines and textile treatment machines. These are the microfibres that the X-Filtra removes. The liquid containing all these microfibres from your dirty wash would come in here, go in the middle through the filter as the filter's spinning, pass through the filter and then come out predominantly here. So that means that the water that eventually goes out to the grey waste has now been filtered and removed from all those microfibres. And it's a big problem. There are between 9 and about 15 million tonnes of microfibres at the bottoms of the oceans. A really worrying amount of material. So this is to address that really important problem.
Patent attorneys will work with the company. We'll be looking to really understand the technology that firm has and how they work and what's important to them. So what are the commercial objectives? And it's balancing that kind of knowledge of the inventions with what the objectives are that they want to try to protect ultimately, and then help them develop the patent protection that comes out of that.
There are a whole series of patents covering different aspects of the method of washing, of the chemistry of the washing and the chemistry of the beads, as well as the engineering that goes into making the machines themselves.
From my perspective, it's great to have Bruce and Cockerton and Jennie on board because it allows us to really tap into that deep expertise. Our
job as patent attorneys is to try to future-proof it as much as we can, have lots of fallback positions in there so that ultimately there is good patent protection for whatever product finally is developed.